Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make eggs like Waffle House using an easy method. First, gather 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of butter, and a non-stick pan. Crack your eggs into a small bowl and whisk them gently for about 15 seconds. Next, melt the butter in your pan over medium-low heat, ensuring it coats the bottom evenly. Once your butter is melted, pour the whisked eggs directly into the warm pan. Allow the eggs to set for about 30 seconds without any stirring. This initial setting is crucial for texture. Then, using a rubber spatula, gently push the cooked edges of the eggs towards the center, letting the uncooked egg flow underneath. Keep folding the eggs from the edges to the center, allowing them to cook slowly and evenly. The key is to stop cooking when they are mostly set but still appear moist and slightly soft. Avoid overcooking, as this will make them dry. Finally, fold the eggs into a neat rectangle or square, ready for your plate. Now carefully slide your perfectly cooked, fluffy eggs onto a warm plate. Add salt and pepper to your personal preference. A little goes a long way. This easy method consistently delivers delicious, moist scrambled eggs, just like you'd find at your favorite diner. Enjoy your homemade Waffle House-style breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.